to meet you.
So,
Galra Customs, huh? Is that like when you guys save Repetsa and stuff? God, there's so much we don't know about you.
if you're interested in our society's history, you couldn't find a better teacher than Dyak.
Oh, wow. Would you really teach me about the Galra?
What do you want to know about the Galra for?
Well, we're gonna be working with Lotor to bring peace throughout the Empire, right? Just makes sense that the more we know about their society, the better. That's okay.
Hunk, you're a paladin of Voltron. There is no challenge too great for you.
Will I learn what Repetsa means? Let's do it! Is holding these weights gonna help me learn Galra history?
Palin Ball.
Oh! Broken? That seems a little drastic.
Palin Ball.
Oh! Well, what does that mean? So you're gonna hurt me until I'm smart?
Yes.
Oh.
But it is a nation tribe on planet Dibazol, home to many warring races at the time, as the killing thrust of Repetsa.
Oh, so that's what Repetsa means? Killing thrust? It's so violent.
Palin Ball.
Ow!
Yes, it is violent.
Oh. Can't I maybe take a little break?
Teach you.
Oh, man. That's so intense. So you're saying a fight to the death is the only way out of this? Ow! Okay, yeah, you just said that. I guess I am getting smarter. Ow! Ow! I did everything you told me! Owie!
Showing complacency. Palin Ball.
Well, looks like I'm gonna have to cut my training short.
You dissort to the death.
Okay, well, I've got to go with them right now, but maybe we can put a pin in that, reschedule for tomorrow, or never. Is she? Is she?
She seemed pretty serious. But I bet if you ask Lotor nicely, he can have her exiled.
Oh, that'd be nice. Yeah, I'm not really in the mood to die, you know?
That you value the lives of others.
Where does this plate need to be lined up? Got it. But those other plates are out of position. There's just no way I'll be able to move them all myself.
I can activate the manual thrusters on some of the plates.
Are you freaking kidding me? Paladin Ball! You're both a dishonor. Do you fight for yourselves or do you fight for the Galra?
Galra!
Then victory or death! Enough of the bickering! Long ago, there was a desperate group of Galra that thought they were going to die. Are you ready to put aside your differences and fight with me? Well, I guess all that pain did make me smarter. This isn't going fast enough! Fire up that power, Pidge! Lance isn't responding. Allura jumped out of her lion. Pidge, hit it now! 3. Repetsa. Man, that's weird to say.
That Galra training really toughened you up.